I've heard that expert says you need 10,000 hours to be good at photography. I say it's not true. My name is Serge Germany and I teach photography and post-processing online. I struggled so much when I started photography 15 years ago, but today I've got 5 coffee table books and my work is in over 70 galleries around the world. Since 2013, I've helped thousands of photographers take their photography to the next level and hundreds making a living out of their passion and becoming professionals. If you follow my YouTube channel, you know how passionate I am about photography. I try to teach in a very easy and to the point way, and I've also developed some amazing Lightroom presets that will take your photography to the next level. In fact, I've used most of these presets as a starting point for all the books I've published. But don't take my word for it. Watch my webinar that's about to start, where I'm going to reveal 3 secrets that changed my life as a photographer. Plus, I'm going to give you for free, if you watch until the end, some of my best presets and some of my best tutorials. So just click the link and see you right away in my webinar.